Can you sue a state government? The short answer is sometimes, but not easily. The 11th Amendment exists to answer that question and to draw limits around who can take a state to court and under what circumstances. Open book the text of the 11th Amendment. The judicial power of the United States shall not be construed to extend to any suit in law or equity commenced or prosecuted against one of the United States by citizens of another state or by citizens or subjects of any foreign state. It's technical, it's narrow, but its impact is significant. Classical building why the 11th Amendment exists. After the Constitution was ratified, a Supreme Court case allowed a private citizen to sue a state over debt. States panicked. They feared financial collapse, endless lawsuits, loss of sovereignty. The 11th Amendment was a direct response, and it was adopted quickly. Brain, what is sovereign immunity? Sovereign immunity is the idea that a government cannot be sued without its consent. The 11th Amendment reinforces this principle for states. It protects states from being dragged into federal court by citizens of other states, foreign citizens. Balance scale what the 11th Amendment actually does. The amendment limits federal court jurisdiction, protects states from certain lawsuits, preserves state dignity and independence. It does not say states can never be sued, just that the rules are stricter. Puzzle piece, important exceptions. States can still be sued when the state consents, Congress lawfully authorizes suits, state officials are sued for violating federal law, federal constitutional rights are at stake. This is how civil rights cases still move forward. Prohibited what the 11th Amendment does not do. The 11th Amendment does not place states above the Constitution, does not block all lawsuits against states, does not protect illegal conduct, does not apply to local governments. Counties and cities do not get this protection. Brain why the 11th Amendment still matters. This amendment affects civil rights lawsuits, federal-state power struggles, claims for damages, accountability of state governments. It's a reminder that constitutional limits apply both ways, to citizens and to government. Direct hit key takeaways. States have sovereign immunity. Federal courts have limited jurisdiction over states. Consent and constitutional violations matter. Accountability still exists, but through defined channels. Pushpin closing. In the next episode, we move to Amendment 12, how presidents and vice presidents are elected, and what happens when elections go wrong. If this series is helping you, like the video, subscribe, share it with someone who needs real constitutional understanding.